Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we are going to be figuring out how to do the exterior angle theorem. So the exterior angle theorem basically says that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. So for the first question, we have what is the measure of angle B? And it's on the outside of the triangle. So we need to look at the two remote interior angles, which are 42 and 64, and add them up. And that gives us 106 as the measure of angle B. Let's move on to the next problem. For the second problem, we need to find the measure of angle P, and the measure of angle P, it's on the outside as well. We need to add up the two remote interior angles, which are 81 and 52, and that gives us 133 as the measure of angle P. Let's move on to the last question. So for the last question, we have what is the measure of angle W, and it's once again on the outside of the triangle. So we need to find the two remote interior angles, which are 88 and 32, and add them up, and that gives us 120 as the measure of angle W. Alright everyone, that is all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!